Hi, I'm Adam Groh, Chief Product Officer here at Sponsor Pulse. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use digital usage filters to look at property results amongst certain segments of the population depending on their digital behavior. For today, I'm going to go into the Analyze Properties view. This allows us to tease apart the potential with one given property. By default, it's going to show us the NFL. And also by default, it's going to show us all sorts of consumer segments. We've got DraftKings customers, we've got people who bet on sports, we've got Jack Daniels drinkers. If I want to get more specific and hone in just on the digital space, if I go up to the filter panel on the top here, instead of all filters, I'm going to select digital usage filters. Right now, I can see the opportunity with the NFL amongst certain segments of the population. No surprise, the most over-indexed is people who subscribe to NFL Game Pass. But if you go down the list, we can get HBO Max results. We can start to get into social media like LinkedIn, Twitter, Amazon Prime, and see the overlap and potential for the NFL amongst those different groups. This allows us to both inform selection, meaning going after consumers that we value based on their digital behavior, finding a property that makes sense with them, but also informs our activation and messaging. If we know the consumers are both passionate and interested in a property and it's higher or as high amongst a certain group on a certain social media channel, we can then use that information to inform our spend and strategy. I hope this helps dive in a little bit, and thank you.